Katie Doyle, and today is Friday, July 17th, 2015, and I'm going to tell you about organic foods being healthier for the environment and people. What would you think if I told you that you could eat healthier and help the environment at the same time? Well, I'm going to tell you why organic foods and farming are better for people and the environment than conventionally farmed foods. We do not like to think about the amount of pesticides, growth hormones, and antibiotics that we are consuming every day through what we're eating. According to Jeff Gillum, PhD and Associate Professor of Horticulture, many of these chemicals have the potential to be very damaging to humans if they are exposed in high concentrations or even in low concentrations over an extended period of time. Because of the disadvantages and potential dangers of conventional farming, it is clear that organic farming is safer, better for you, and better for the environment than conventional farming methods. Organic foods are safer than traditional or conventionally farmed foods. Traditionally or conventionally farmed food use products such as pesticides and herbicides for vegetation, which are bad for people and the environment. One major advantage to organic farming is consumers do not have to worry about the pesticides, herbicides, hormones, antibiotics that they are consuming through the products, because the USDA mandates that no pesticides, herbicides, hormones, or antibiotics be used in organic farming. According to the Organic Farmer, from the Gill Encyclopedia of Medicine, pesticides, herbicides, hormones, and antibiotics have a greater effect on the developing child. Because of this, organic foods are becoming more of an important parental topic and focus as well. Sometimes, something that is contributing to this discussion is the fact that animals are giving antibiotics and growth hormones. These antibiotics and growth hormones are then passed from the animal to the person through the consumption of meat and dairy products. Beef and dairy farmers are known to use a hormone called RBGH, which, according to the Organic Consumer Association, does have the benefit of adding a 10% increase to milk productivity. However, it has a significant risk. The use of RBGH correlates with increased risk of breast, testes, and prostate cancer. Clearly, the benefits do not outweigh the risk. Now that we have talked about the safety of organic food, let's talk about the health benefits from eating organic foods. Organic vegetation contains more nutrients and milk more antioxidants than traditionally or conventionally farmed vegetation and dairy. According to the Organic Consumer Association, on average, organic is 25% has 25% more nutrients and vitamins and minerals than products derived from industrial agriculture. The level of antioxidants in milk from organic cattle are between 50 and 80% higher than normal milk. Many of these vitamins and minerals are also thought to help naturally combat the risk of cancer and many other diseases. Many conventionally farmed foods contain genetic modified organisms, otherwise known as GMOs. There are many health concerns from GMOs, ranging anywhere from the cause of gluten allergies to the cause of antibiotic resistant strains of bacteria. The benefits of organic over conventional farming from a GMO standpoint is that organic foods are never genetically modified, so there is therefore no concern of GMOs. Now that we have talked about the safety and health benefits that come from eating organic foods, let's talk about the environmental disadvantages of conventional farming versus the benefits of organic farming. Organic farming is better for the environment. According to the article, Environmental Benefits of Agriculture, conventional agriculture relies on chemical fertilizers that have been shown to reduce soil organic matter and contaminate waterways, leading to dead zones. According to organic agriculture does not permit the use of chemical fertilizers and relies instead on other nutrient sources that tend to be less soluble and more sustainable in soil. If we do not decide to do something about this now, it may be too late when we realize that all of our waterways and groundwaters have been irreversibly damaged by the effects of chemicals. The use of chemicals that are used in conventional farming also have the undesired effect of contributing to global warming and climate change. According to the article, Environmental Benefits of Organic Agriculture, conventional agricultural practices are contributing to the climate change through heavy use of fossil fuels. Because these practices are not used in organic farming, it has the ability to lessen our reliance on machinery, pesticides, and fertilizers that are contributing to the release of more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, impacting global warming and climate change. As you can see, there are many health and environmental risks and disadvantages to conventional farming. Whereas in comparison, organic farming holds many promising environmental and health benefits. Through organic farming, the environment can start healing from all the toxins that have been released to it through conventional farming methods. And people can rest assured that they are consuming non-toxic, nutrient-rich foods. It is important for the future of our planet and race that we start worrying about what we put into our grounds, waters, and bodies. Organic farming and foods are safer, they're better for the environment, and they're healthier than conventionally farmed foods.